everyone, thanks for watching my unboxing. Today I am unboxing the BTS Travel Book, and this is a travel book that has some helpful phrases and key places in Korea you can go visit and tour, and I believe there are also places that BTS has been in. So I'm excited to be able to see locations and where they are. And really, I'm just curious what is in this book. So let's take a look at it. This book was released in December 2022. And so it took a little while to get here, about a month or so. And I like how it's a light book. It's something that you could pack with you when you go on a trip to Korea. It doesn't take up a lot of space. Looks like it comes with a semi-opaque poster. Very nice. It's a little, just slightly opaque, and it's plastic. So that's very cute. Here is the travel book. It says, BTS Travel Book with Useful Korean Expressions, Korea. So this will look nice on my bookshelf to go with the rest of my BTS books, but it will also be very useful if and when I go to Korea to learn expressions and to also go and visit several tourist sites. So let's open it and see what's inside the book. And again, it's very much a tour book. Feels easy to carry. It's a good size. And also want to point out the new Hybe EDU is called a cake, which I think is cute. So here's the introduction. It says it's made for fans who want to share experiences with BTS beyond their music. So starts out with a little tutorial on planning your itinerary, introducing yourself. Talks about Hangul and pronunciation, so basic things to learn about Korea. Also maps. So it is very much a tour book, but with BTS. Looks simple, fun, easy to read. I love the different pictures in here and the anecdotes they add in there. They have little tips too about seasons. They give you missions. Really nice. And places to go. Really common phrases. And here's some funny little missions. Dance idol choreography like BTS in front of Gyeongbokgung Palace. So if I see somebody doing that with this book, I'm going to know what they're doing, and everybody else might not. So really fun. Now this really makes me want to go to Korea. Let's see. Oh, it also tells you how to get to certain locations where they filmed MVs. That's really nice. Well, I'm looking forward to reading this. I feel like I should have bought two, one to keep and one to take while I'm traveling and to take notes in. Oh, so it goes all the way to butter even and emergency information. This is really lovely. Not only is it useful, there's also pictures of BTS. Easy to read and nice for the bookshelf. You can even give it as a gift to someone who is not a BTS fan, who just wants to visit Korea. So that looks very fun, and I'm very excited to take a deeper look into it. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing, and maybe you'll want to get one too before you go to Korea. Thanks so much for coming. Bye-bye.